Welcome to Mr. A Classroom. Today, we're going to look at some commonly mispronounced words with a longer E sound. The sound E is a long vowel pronounced as E. So let's try it. E. Again. E. Okay, there are some words that have this sound and people at times mispronounce the words. So we're going to look at the first one, and the first one is penalize. The word is penalize. So let's try and say it together. Penalize. Again, penalize. Now let's have the word in a sentence. He was penalized for obstructing the road. He was penalized for obstructing the road. Again, he was penalized for obstructing the road. So the word is pronounced as penalize and not penalize. And the second word is legal. Let's say it together. Legal. Again, legal. Okay, so let's have it in a sentence. Charles did not observe any legal procedure. Charles did not observe any legal procedure. Okay, so let's look at the next word we have, and it's a common word. The word is comedian. Let's say it together. Comedian and not comedian. Okay, so let's have the word in a sentence. AY is a good comedian. Again, AY is a good comedian. And the last word we have for today is trapezium. Now, the math teachers are guilty of this word as they always say it as trapezium. Not at all. So the word is pronounced as trapezium. Again, trapezium. Now, in a sentence, we can have, I can identify a trapezium. I can identify a trapezium. Great. Now, thank you for today, and do have a great day.